Hi everyone, it's Lavinia. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my weekly zone planning and cleaning for this week. I have my planner, my home planner that I use, and these are the templates. These had gotten on clearance from Hobby Lobby some time ago. I really like them, and this was fun. I used this one here. And I think I'm going to use this. I really never use this one, but I think it's supposed to rain today. Whoops, it's upside down. So I might put what the weather is. That'll be fun to do, I think, for each day. Usually it's sunny, but we have gotten, I think, the start of the monsoons. We'll see. My zone 3, so I'm in zone 3, and my zone 3 is the den, the fit room, and 2 bathrooms. I like to pull out the gel pens that I have. I have a 100 pack from Michael's, and this particular one was neon green. I had started to write it here, but you couldn't see, so I added it to the dark purple, and then I just pulled out some other gel pens that I have. Today I am focusing on the 2 bathrooms. I believe the Flylady system, she might start on a Sunday. My planner starts on a Monday, so that is what I'm doing. I'm starting it on a Monday. I am off work today, so I've got plenty of time. So for these 2 bathrooms, I'm going to be cleaning the mirrors, cleaning the medicine cabinets. So both bathrooms have medicine cabinets. Since I keep up with it, it's not as bad. There really are no spills or anything like that. It's just a matter of maybe taking things out, looking to see if anything has an expiration date and tossing it, and then just wiping down. I also have cleaning tubs. This is going to be easy as well, especially that one of the bathrooms that is in this particular zone, the one that is off the den, we don't use that tub. Therefore, it's just a matter of spraying it down, wiping it down, and it's more of a dusting. In one of the bathrooms, I have a scale, so I'll be wiping down that scale, then wiping down and cleaning both sinks. This is also something that I keep up with weekly, therefore it's not as bad. Then wiping down the towel rack. In one of the bathrooms, I do have a towel rack. The frame is made of metal, the shelves are glass, and this too is just a matter of maybe taking some window cleaner or glass cleaner, and if needed, and then just dusting it. Then deep cleaning the toilet bowls. So this is I pretty much keep up with it weekly, but this deeper clean is really getting into the nooks and crannies. We have hard water here, so if I need to use the pumi stick, I will go ahead and do that. Then vacuuming and mopping, and then also wiping down the baseboards as needed. I have here also washing the bed sheets. I usually just do this on Wednesday, but since I'm off today, I figured, I can go ahead and get those sheets done today rather than Wednesday. I don't have anything scheduled for Tuesday. For Wednesday, I am also off, and I'm going to be focusing on the den. So I have pick up and put away, dusting the furniture, dusting the blinds. We have a window in there and just some wood blinds, so dusting those off. And then cleaning the windowsill. I don't have cleaning the glass. It really, I don't have that at least listed for this week or for this week's zone. Then the couch, so dusting that under the cover, underneath the cushions, moving the couch, and we have an armchair in there too, and just making sure that any dust bunnies that might be under there get cleaned. And then also the baseboards. This too, when I do a dusting, I make sure to get those baseboards. The baseboards are nice. In the future, if I ever have a house, I would not put in baseboards. They are just dust collectors, and you can't push the furniture, which I don't know, maybe that's a good thing, that if you can't push the furniture, depending on what it is, against the wall. But Yeah, to me they're just they're pretty, but they're dust collectors. And then I also have vacuuming and mopping. I am off, so I'm also going to have breakfast with my dad. I don't have anything scheduled for the rest of the week. I'll be doing a Shine the Sink video. I forgot to do that for this past week, but maybe we'll see if I can get that done for this week. As far as for the fitness room, this is a spare bedroom where we have all our fitness equipment. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything in there. It's just, it's just a room that the door remains shut. So for this week, I'm going to go ahead and skip it. I probably should go in there though and do some exercise. But that is it for this week. My zone 3 cleaning done, the 2 bathrooms, and that fit room is part of the zone. Therefore, thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.